Wow. And sometimes this happens. I literally just forgot, like, I cannot find my. Hey loves! Welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a long overdue. I'm sorry for going MIA. So much has been going on in my life. So many positive changes, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to share all that information with you guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But anyways, you guys, today we're gonna be making, look at my nails, Halloween wreath. But yes, you guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do this. I've seen so many TikToks. I watch YouTube videos, of course. Shout out to YouTube, and make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. I'll go ahead and link that right here. Follow me on TikTok, because yeah. Anyways, so yes, everything I'll be using is from the Dollar Tree now, except for, of course, like my glue gun and mesh. It's not from, but yes, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Wow. And sometimes this happens. I literally just forgot, like, I cannot find my glue gun, you guys. I cannot. I've got my glue sticks. I have no idea. I've searched my room, searched the house, no glue gun. So you guys are gonna come with me to go buy a glue gun, and I heard the Dollar Tree has some, so let's go try that out. You guys, so my Dollar Tree has this arts and crafts section. They actually sell really good things and items. I usually come here sometimes and let my kids like pick out a little art project to like paint and things like that, and I'll come and get it here and just stock up. But looks like I found the glue gun. They do have glue sticks. They have the longer one, and then they also have these as well. But I actually already have glue sticks at home. I just need a gun. So yes, no. All right, guys, so this is everything I'm going to be working with today. It is optional on what you want to do, so just kind of giving you guys some ideas. You also always want to start off with some mesh. I only went to Michael's to get this, which was $10. So this is the most expensive thing over here that I'm actually going to be using today, because they only have one of these left. Kind of just grab what I could get at the moment. But I got these cute little pumpkins, and of course we got the hot glue gun. I'll be letting you guys know if this works or not. So yeah, I purchased these, so you will be needing some pipe liners. So I did get these. They're 25 in a pack. So make sure you do have those as well. And then I got these black little bats, but I don't know if I'm going to use everything on here. And then I bought this, so I'll be showing you guys how I'm going to be using this on it as well. Definitely going to need your Wreath ring. You can purchase this from the Dollar Tree. That is where I got this from, and this is actually 14-inch. They do have a 12-inch, so you can go smaller, but I don't think they go bigger than a 14-inch. So yes, you can purchase this from the Dollar Tree as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with this one first, because I kind of want to mix both of them just because I don't want it to be all black. So what you're gonna do is you're going to go ahead and twist it just at the tip, and then go ahead and twist this so it just holds it together, gives it that support a little bit. Just probably twist, I would say, twice, just to make sure it's kind of secure, as so. And then you're going to go ahead and find the bar where you kind of want to start, and you're going to go ahead and twist it in there. Just take these two ends, put it here, and go ahead and twist. Okay guys, so now that we have this part twisted, we're gonna go ahead and you're gonna cut it. I'm only gonna probably do this area and then probably like this area and the rest with the black mesh, the see-through one. So just to give it some different type of variety, I don't want it to be all black because I do have orange, and an orange makes it stick out. So what you're gonna do is, don't worry about that, it's gonna be covered eventually. So you're gonna go ahead and pull the mesh through, and when you do, you want to twist towards the bottom and pull it, and then push this part through, okay? And then you're going to twist towards the bottom. Make sure that you're holding it if you need to hold it towards the bottom, and then you're gonna twist just like that, twist. And then I'm going to show you guys how you can fluff it out when you're done. Okay guys, so we're done with just this section. If you do see the wire, just don't pay it a mind, because you're gonna go ahead and be adding things onto there, so to hide it and things like that. So let's go ahead and start off with the second part. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and transition to doing all black here, and then another little orange part here. Guys, so now this part is done. It's starting to look really nice and more like a wreath. So actually gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna fill this side to this side. Like I said, you guys will kind of get a hang of it after you go for a while. You should be able to get a hang of like the twist, the pull, the twist. I'm definitely not gonna have enough, like I'm really not, so that just sucks, because you know what that means. That means I'm gonna have to run back to the store again. Who wants to do that? We got this part obviously done. So this part is at the end, so I'm gonna go ahead and take another small little pipe liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and twist the end. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and just twist it around the bob. So make sure you guys have enough. I think personally you would use one section from the dollar store, so one of these on one bar each. So if you count, there's there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I would just get 7 of them, 7 of these from the dollar store, just to be, you know, careful. And I'm kind of upset, but because I bought this one from Michael's, which was actually $9, the most expensive thing, and it actually turns out I love the Dollar Tree one a lot better, because look at that, how fluffy it looks. At this point, guys, I had to go to the Dollar Tree for the third time today, okay, to get some more mesh because I ran out. So, first of all, some things that I learned while doing this is I went to Michael's and I purchased this black one for $10. That was a no-no. Say, okay, I could have literally just purchased 7 of these at the Dollar Tree at the time that they had them, and I probably just should have drove to another one and find them, and I would have saved $3. So, but lesson learned. Let's go ahead and finish. Okay, guys, and we're all done. Oh my gosh, that was definitely a project. So now let's go ahead and do the fun part, and let's go ahead and add our boarding on to see what we want it to look like and see what pieces I'm actually going to use. So now we can go ahead and create our wreath. I'm going to go ahead and see what we're actually going to be using. You can go ahead and if you want, just, you know, cut this part out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can actually cut the strings as well. Because these boards are thin, you don't have to worry about it being too much weight on here. But if it was heavier boards, like if you did get a heavier board, you probably would want to use something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and just bend these here, just like that, and then hot glue it. Okay. Okay, so I'm sticking it through the mesh and I'm getting it through there. So now that I can just tie it. Okay, so it's like pulling it. Now I'm gonna turn it to the back. I'm pull it all the way, and then I'm gonna just tighten. So probably what I'm going to do is just hot glue the back piece. Alright guys, and now I can go ahead and finish decorating it. I'm going to break these off. So I'm going to go ahead and add the pumpkins on. You can pull that out. Necessarily don't need it, and you can just actually glue them how you want. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to add my berry picker. So let's go ahead and open that. And with these, because the ends are like this, and the mesh is like that, you actually can just stick these through. Last, I got my little bags. So let's go ahead and add the back on. I'm gonna go ahead and add the gray spiders on. All right, guys, and that is it. Look at this baby. It looks so cute. You guys, make sure you stay tuned for my next video, because you guys, check this out. This was my first wreath ever doing on camera. You guys see all my flaws and everything, but it's okay, because next time I'm gonna get better. Okay, because I'm gonna do one for Thanksgiving and of course for Christmas and so on and so on. But it came out so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so happy, because I was so nervous and there was so much going on, but I pulled through and I got it done. You guys, look at this baby.